Language Foundations Vocabulary Flashcards, helping you achieve understanding.
The act of investing, laying out money or capital in an enterprise with the expectation of profit. Money that is invested with an expectation of profit. The ceremonial act of clothing someone in the insignia of an office. The formal promotion of a person to an office or rank. The act of investing, laying out money or capital in an enterprise with the expectation of profit. Outer layer or covering of an organ or part or organism. The act of putting on robes or vestments. The commitment of something other than money, time, energy, or effort, to a project with the expectation of some worthwhile result. This job calls for the investment of some hard thinking. Obtain or provide money for. Can we finance the addition to our home? Sell or provide on credit. The branch of economics that studies the management of money and other assets. The commercial activity of providing funds and capital. The management of money and credit and banking and investments. Investing with borrowed money as a way to amplify potential gains, at the risk of greater losses. A joint venture between a foreign company and a United States company. Investing in United States businesses by foreign citizens often involves stock ownership of the business. The mechanical advantage gained by being in a position to use a lever. Investing with borrowed money as a way to amplify potential gains, at the risk of greater losses. Provide with leverage. We need to leverage this company. Strategic advantage. Power to act effectively. Relatively small groups can sometimes exert immense political leverage. Supplement with leverage. Leverage the money that is already available. A kind of hedged investment meant to capture slight differences in price. When there is a difference in the price of something on two different markets, the arbitrager simultaneously buys at the lower price and sells at the higher price. Practice arbitrage, as in the stock market. Astrology. A person who is born while the sun is in Taurus. Uncomplimentary terms for a policeman. Push or force. He bowled through his demands. Speak insincerely or without regard for facts or truths. The second sign of the zodiac. The sun is in this sign from about April 20th to May 20th. Obscene words for unacceptable behavior. I put up with a lot of bullshit from that jerk. The center of a target. A formal proclamation issued by the Pope, usually written in antiquated characters and sealed with a leaden bulla. A large and strong and heavy-set man. He was a bull of a man. Advance in price. Stocks were bulling. An investor with an optimistic market outlook. An investor who expects prices to rise and so buys now for resale later. A serious and ludicrous blunder. He made a bad bull of the assignment. Mature male of various mammals of which the female is called cow, e.g. whales or elephants or especially cattle. Try to raise the price of stocks through speculative buying. Uncastrated adult male of domestic cattle. Buy stocks or shares of a company. A massive monument with a square base and 4 triangular sides, begun by Cheops around 2700 BC as royal tombs in ancient Egypt. A polyhedron having a polygonal base and triangular sides with a common vertex. Arrange or build up as if on the base of a pyramid. Enlarge one's holdings on an exchange on a continued rise by using paper profits as margin to buy additional amounts. Increase rapidly and progressively step by step on a broad base. Stock market. A series of transactions in which the speculator increases his holdings by using the rising market value of those holdings as margin for further purchases. Use or deal in, as of stock or commercial transaction, in a pyramid deal. Adopt as a belief. I subscribe to your view on abortion. Receive or obtain regularly. Mark with one's signature. Write one's name, on. Pay. An amount of money, as a contribution to a charity or service, especially at regular intervals. Offer to buy, as of stocks and shares. The broker subscribed 500 shares.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.